Woohoo! You up, baby? You hit a 360 last time, so the bar is high. My board. While Brandon was surfing, somehow my board flew out. I guess we forgot to cinch it down with a little elastic cord. Too bad it's not like neon yellow, right? I mean, I'm sure nobody took it, right? It would have to be here somewhere. Obviously it floats.
You were making that video of me doing the 360, was it on the boat?
That's a good idea, let me check. Man, if you surf, you know those boards are not cheap either. There's only one other surf boat out here, and I mean, they're just sitting there chilling. There's no way that they like took the board and ran. No, I don't think we met.
When I got on, I had pulled you back that way.
Really trying to stay positive here. For like 15 minutes so far, which is a lot longer than I would have thought. Oh my gosh, we found it. Wow, I never would have seen that. Good eye, Brandon. I was just like feeling all the money flying out of our pockets, both from the gas we're wasting right now and the board. Oh my gosh. All right, let's actually do this time. All right, there we go. Those babies aren't going anywhere now.
Yeah, I'll put some 4200 in that gas.
It's our buddy Mike. This jet ski is no joke, can go 86 miles an hour. You've heard of wakeboarding, but have you heard of wake jet skiing? Wake jetting. I have a feeling some of you guys are not going to like this. Our neighbors caught this mahi-mahi recently when they were deep sea fishing. First time I ever had mahi-mahi, I was told that it was dolphin and I almost gagged in my mouth. I was like, dolphin. No, it's not. For the record, it's dolphin fish, which is totally different than dolphin, which is a mammal.
It's not a dolphin, they just call it a dolphin.
Pretty much. Dolphins are mammals and this is an actual fish, so totally different. But yeah, I was told that it was a dolphin, not a dolphin.
Hi, my name's Dolphin, but I'm not a dolphin.
No, my name's Dolphin.
That's
Fish.
how that works. Dolphin.
Man, we've got awesome neighbors.
Really good.
It's a massive burrito. Amazing. Wow.
On camera. Ready? Alright, so this is our first segment on 1 Minute with Aiko. We're going to ask her some questions that a lot of people have asked and figure it out. So the first question everyone wants to know is, your dog really happy on a boat? Well, Aiko, are you happy to be on the boat? Perfect, that's a great answer. Now Aiko, do you like to go surfing with mommy and daddy and wakeboarding? I think so too. So, do you love the surf boat? Is it a great surf boat? Is it the best surf boat you ever had? Yeah, I agree, because Supreme is, you know, the best budget boat a man can afford. Great wave, good swim platform for the dog. So Aiko, do you like living on a boat without dirt or anything? Huh. What about not being able to chase animals like you do when you live on land? There was that time you chased a squirrel out here. I remember that. It was the middle of winter and you chased it across the dock and you jumped in the lake after it and almost drowned. Yeah, I saved your life that day. You still owe me one. So Aiko, you being a winter dog, do you like when we run the air conditioning?
Yes! Is that what yes means?
Well, we appreciate this 1 minute with Aiko. You go back to sleep. Thanks guys. We appreciate your time.